Today we're going to look at analytics. Analytics are just tools that allow you to see how many people have looked at your page, how much time they spend on it, and other factors that can help you determine your web strategy. We have a tool set up that interfaces with Google Analytics so that you can easily see this information without having to have a separate login. You'll start out by going to the OCM webpage and look under the Tools menu. From there you'll select Analytics. This page gives you all the fields that you need to find out information about your page or other pages on gru.edu. You'll begin by selecting a date range, and just for fun we'll just do last month. And then you'll select your overall area. You won't see departments listed here, but you'll see all the colleges and top level sections, and you can select one. And from there you can select the fields that you'd like to see. You've got a choice to see overall page views, which is just a total regardless of who's looking at it. Then you also have unique page views, which are broken down by session, average time on page, the entrances, the bounce rate, and the exit rate. And we'll go over those later. Once you've selected that, you'll click Get Analytics, and you'll jump down to a chart with all your information. If you'd like to see stats for a specific department, you'll need to add the last part of the URL into the subdirectory area. So if we wanted to look at information for physical therapy, we would select College of Allied Health and then do /PT. And now we're seeing just the analytics for the physical therapy department. As I mentioned, there are several fields you can view. We'll just take a look at all of them. Page views are total pages regardless of session. So if someone is at a computer and they look at one page 5 different times, it's going to count that as 5 page views. Unique page views are by session. So someone sitting at a machine, it won't count them multiple times. So unique page views will always be lower than the total number of page views. Average time on page is just a score of how long users are looking at pages. Entrances are where they came to that page first. They didn't go to gru.edu and navigate it in. They came in through a search engine or bookmark directly to that page. Bounce rate are the number of times someone went to the page and then immediately left. This could be because they didn't find the information that they were looking for right away and they went somewhere else, or they just went to the wrong page by accident. And finally you have exits. Exits are the number of people who left gru.edu from that page. So that page was the last one that they viewed before they went somewhere else. All of this information can be used to help determine your web strategy for your area. If you've got a page that you're devoting a lot of time to, but it doesn't get a lot of page views, maybe you should reallocate some resources somewhere else. If you have a page that has a really high bounce rate, you may want to see if the information there is not related to what's on the page, or maybe it's just buried so low that they're not finding it. If your area of gru.edu is not listed in the area dropdown, please contact the web team so we can add it. For more information and other training resources, visit gru.edu/ocm/web.